flies.
Fly. Yes!
I wasn't ready.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, let's try it again. I'm super fast in this game.
I can see. 2.
2.
I wasn't.
Yes! I got 4. You only have 0. You're not winning at all. At all.
Maybe if I was ready.
Come on, you can't even win. At all. Come on, you can get me. You can't get me. Ah! You can't even get me. No! What?
There's one more. There's one more.
Oh my
Fine.
god!
Try again. I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Okay.
Try again with 2.
Yeah, let's try it again.
Okay. You have one on your side.
Yeah, I got one.
Ready?
You can't even get me. You can. You can't get me. Oh my god!
You got yourself.
I get myself. That means I can't. I don't have 4. Hey, wait, what do you have 1?
I got 1, didn't I?
No. No, 2. 2 again.
Let me grab the other one.
When it's slime. Come on, boy. Yeah! Oh my god. You can't get me. You can't.
Try again.
Yeah! I got 9!
Yay!
I'm the winner.
Want to try again?
Yeah, let's try again. I'm going to get to 0.
Back to 0.
Back to
2?
Yeah, 2. It's a fun game,
Mm-hmm.
right? Actually, Rapunzel is kind of what. Who isn't the friend Yasmin?
Mm-hmm.
Yasmin. I think Yasmin is not gonna win.
Who's Jasmine? Am I Jasmine? You Jasmine.
Yeah, Yasmin. Who people is in the French? Ah! Oh my god! You can't get me. You can't get me. You can't. Ah! You almost got it. This game is easy. Peasy. This game is easy. Easy for me and the little girl, but I can really do it. Oh,
Did you get one?
Yeah. I got 1. Oh my god!
1 and 1.
1 and 1. 1 and 1. I think that kind of win because I can almost get into 2.
Try again?